Hi you guys. So today, these are all of the shower gels for like the last 6 months that I've bought from Lush. Now, of all the shower gels in that video, all of them that are in the video are pretty damn good. Those are a few of the 5-star shower gels, in my opinion, in the last 6 months. Now, this one I need to talk about, okay? Now, this one was one that my friend Kim has graciously had bought for me, and then she sent it to me here with some other cool stuff. And so this shower gel is so good. Magik. This is Lush's CBD shower gel, and as some of you know, I've used the CBD bubble bar, the pink and green ones. So lately, maybe a few months ago, Lush UK has made Magik. I don't know why they don't make it here in the US. I'm assuming it's regarding some kind of laws about CBD. I don't know. So this shower gel, okay? Oh my God. Okay, let me show you. It says, take this relaxing little number into the shower with you before or after a stressful day and lather up generously. Take a stressed out partner or a friend in too if necessary. Made with fine sea salt that protects bird life through salt pan conservation and gives the shower gel a silky smooth texture. It says, while 140 milligrams of CBD takes care of your mind, oodles of softening vegan glycerin takes care of your body, helping the skin to retain moisture. Now, I was wondering, when I first smelled this, I just couldn't believe what I was smelling because it was so good and so retro and so different. So I'm like, what does this shower gel have in it? So I'll tell you what it has in it. It's got, as far as like, the main ingredients. So we've got chamomile. It's blue chamomile. Okay, so it's a bright herbal. We have jasmine, floral. We have violet leaf. We've got ylang-ylang. We've got cannabidiol. So now I'm going to open up and smell it. Oh, you guys, how do I, okay, so this really does smell like an old school Lush item. And for you old school Lushies, if you took Tramp shower gel, okay, and you added some violet and jasmine and a little bit of brightness from chamomile, so it's a little bit brighter than Tramp. It's got jasmine and ylang-ylang and violet florals in it. Okay, you can smell the violet leaf. I can definitely smell the violet leaf, and I smell a little bit of the jasmine and the ylang-ylang. But the jasmine and then the ylang-ylang, the jasmine and ylang-ylang are like a little bit less scent than the violet leaf. Okay, so it's dark green and it has that mysterious quality like Tramp. Okay, it doesn't have the patchouli that Tramp has in it, but it smells, dare I say this, okay? I think it might be even better than Tramp. Now we have all the OG Lushies throwing tomatoes. Trust and believe, okay? This is freaking amazing. I love it. It leaves a light greenish floral perfume on your skin after you wash with it and dry off. You can kind of smell it, but it's not strong and it doesn't last a long time at all, but it's still so good. Okay, now let me let my dog in and I'll come right back. Okay. So yeah, if you like Lush Tramp, or even Super Tramp, you will probably like this a lot, unless you don't like floral. Okay, if you don't like Tramp, if you don't like it at all, okay, then you probably won't like this, unless you like florals. So I don't know. I wish every Lushie could buy one of these. Okay. I don't know if they're going to bring this to the US or not. I'm assuming it's because of laws that we have that are different in England than it is here in the United States, or actually North America, not just the United States, but I'm assuming that's why we don't have any here in the States. I could be wrong though, because like I say, I don't have a store near me, so they could be selling one in there for all I know, but I don't think so, because I don't see it when I look at the online Lush site, okay? So it smells like the name is. It smells magical. It smells dark and mysterious and sexy and earthy and magical, right? So now let me show you it up close. Okay, now let's see. It's very thick, right? Very thick. It's kind of got a pearlescent kind of look to it. You can see that shimmer, right? It's got that subtle sparkle in it of like silver. I love it. It's so pretty. So that is the Magik Shower Gel from Lush 2024, and it's a CBD shower gel. And the CBD products that Lush has made actually really work for me when I have like pain. Like it literally just so I guess my body responds really well to CBD, my skin and whatnot. Kim knew that I would love this and she was so right. So yeah, it smells like a fairy glade, even more than Tramp. It's got that sort of chlorophyll green thing going on, but it has some floral to it, just a little bit. And even though it has violet leaf, it's not as sweet as other things with violet leaf. You can smell it, but it works really well with that earthiness. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. I love everything about this. So if you have a friend who lives in England, or if some of you are traveling to England on vacation or something like that, get one. You will not be sorry. Okay, so I will be uploading other Lush videos and products and demos and haul videos and stuff like that. Just a word, I almost forgot. So the Lush community, Lush X body sprays that we all voted on are up on both the Lush UK and the Lush USA website. So if you're going to buy some, do it now. You know, so I didn't get Space Girl because I already have the body spray of Face Girl, or Space Girl, Face Girl, because they made it a couple of years ago. And then there's another one I have, Sticky Dates. I already have that body spray, and I've done a video about it. There's one more that I had. Gosh, I can't remember. It's going to take too long for me to remember. But anyway, when I get my body sprays, I'll be making another video when I get them and showing you all of them. I'll include the ones that I already have, and I'll do a video and upload that. And then, and then there are going to be very soon after the body sprays come out, there's going to be a whole series of Lush perfumes going to be released. Spray perfumes, not the body sprays, spray perfumes, and they're all new. I wish I remembered to count them so I could have told you how many there are, but it looked to me at like around 10, 12 different perfumes. So that's going to be really exciting. So yeah, so I just want to let you know about that. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon on the next Lush video.